Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Ali Reza Zaidi. I'm Dynamics 365 for Finance and Operation Consultant. Start using or start exploring the warehouse management module, or commonly known as advanced warehouse. For running a mobile app, you require a user, and Microsoft provide a emulator for testing different features. So in this video I'm going to share you how you can create a user for mobile app for advanced warehouse. This is D365 Finance and Operation, and at the time of recording this video I am using 10.0.32 version of Dynamics 365 for Finance and Operations. So my friends, first of all, let me share you one link in the description of the video, and as my website, and when I'm going to enter it, it asks me to put a username password. So this test user I created a few minutes ago for testing before recording this video. So for creating a new user, Microsoft provide a link. So for this you have to go warehouse management, then setup, and here is a link for worker. So here you have a multiple workers. So I am going to create a new one, and these workers are coming from the HR module for D365 for Finance and Operations. In the case you are not using the HR module of D365 for Finance and Operations, then you have to integrate or create of a user in Dynamics. So I am selecting the Mia and click on select, or I create a user with Mia and username is also Mia, and default warehouse when it's going to open the mobile app. So I'm selecting the 24. So they have a multiple menus on which you have access right. So I am selecting the inbound, and I'm going to save this. So now he asked me about to put a password, so I'm entering the same password and click on set password. So this message show we successfully save the password for this user. So now I'm going to again open the URL, and I add the default legal entity for this, and CMP equal to USMF. I'm putting the enter, and now he asked me about the username password. So I entered the Mia, and password is, you can see the default menu is open, that is related to inbound processes. So if we configure the mobile app properly, these options can be easily available on a mobile, but currently I'm working on a local laptop, so I have to test all these features on my, and all those features I can test with the help of mobile. Thank you for watching this video. In this way you can configure for your user on mobile app. See you in another video.